Today's lesson, lesson 14 in our unit on multiplying and dividing fractions, asks us to multiply unit fractions by non-unit fractions. Number 3 from your homework is a word problem. At Larita's bakery, 3/5 of the baked goods are pies and the rest are cakes. 1/3 of the pies are coconut. 1/6 of the cakes are angel food. What fraction of all the baked goods at Larita's bakery are coconut pies is what A is asking. So in the problem it says that 3/5 of the baked goods are pies and 1/3 of them are coconut. So to figure out the fraction that are coconut pies, I'm going to do 3/5 of 1/3. Of means multiply. Top times top, bottom times bottom. And if I were to simplify, I would know that 1/5 of the baked goods are coconut pies. So 1/5 are coconut. B asks, what fraction of the baked goods are angel food cakes? Well, if the cakes, if 3/5 are pies, that means 2/5, that's what's left, 2/5 are cakes. Therefore, if 1/6 are angel food, I'm going to do 2/5 of 1/6. Top times top, bottom times bottom, and I get 2/30. If I were to simplify that and divide it down, that would be 1/15. So 1/15 are angel food cakes. Number 3 does not require a model, so you don't have to do one, but several of the other problems in this lesson do require picture models.